everyone. It's Seed with the Ready Garden. Today, we're talking about something that doesn't get nearly enough attention, and that is your gut. You probably heard people say everything starts in your gut, but what does that really mean? And why should people with diabetes care? Let's break it down. And at the end of the video, I have two great tea recipes for gut support. Now, gut health refers to the balance of bacteria, yeast, and other microorganisms living in your digestive tract. Okay, this collection is called the gut microbiome. So this is mostly talking about the intestines here. Your gut isn't just for digesting food. It plays a major role in your immune system, brain function, mood, and energy levels, and yes, even our skin. A healthy gut absorbs nutrients better. It reduces inflammation. It regulates hormones, supports clear thinking and stable moods, and helps eliminate waste properly. I want to say this again. A healthy gut, what does it do? It absorbs nutrients. So you should not feel malnourished. It reduces inflammation. All right. So we shouldn't have inflammation. To no brain fog, right? Not on edge most of the time, right? A healthy gut supports the regulation of hormones. It supports clear thinking. It supports stable moods, and it helps to eliminate waste properly. So not constipated. Even if you don't have digestive symptoms, poor gut health can show up as fatigue or acne or brain fog, right? Or even chronic sinus issues. It's connected to everything. For people with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance, your gut health can affect blood sugar in three ways. All right. So, inflammation. An unhealthy gut increases inflammation, making your body less sensitive to insulin. Also, nutrient absorption. You can eat the best food, but if your gut is damaged, you won't absorb the nutrients needed to manage the blood sugar, like magnesium, B vitamins, and fiber. Also, there's cravings and blood sugar swings. Gut imbalances can definitely lead to sugar cravings, poor sleep, and erratic blood sugar. So if you're working on reversing diabetes naturally or reducing meds, gut healing needs to be a part of your journey for sure. Here are some ways you can start showing your gut some love. Add prebiotic rich foods like onions, right? Onions are something we can add to a lot of our meals. Garlic, another thing that we can add to a lot of our meals. Stir fries, leeks, same thing. Dandelion greens. Also try fermented food like sauerkraut, kefir, or coconut yogurt. Now, honestly, I'm not big on fermented foods. So for me and in my household, I've tried to do various things to transition us all into fermented foods without, buying those drinks, which sometimes can have a lot of sugar or have some ingredients that I necessarily don't want. Look forward to making some future videos where I show you some of the things that I ferment, like seeds, for example, to make a fermented soda drink. And it keeps things easy. Or, you're busy, you don't have time maybe necessarily to make sauerkraut, or because you may not want the canned version of it. Oh, also drinking herbal teas that soothe the gut line really helps. So slippery elm and marshmallow roots and chamomile. Another thing we can do is avoid processed sugar and artificial sweeteners. They feed the wrong microbes. And this is where we in America, we fail. We fail big time because generally speaking, because there are, a lot of our processed foods have sugar, a lot of hidden sugars, and come under various names. So those are the things we need to be watchful for as we are purchasing, our snacks and so forth. So gut health is a game changer, and it's not just for digestion, but for your energy, mood, and blood sugar. In upcoming videos, like I said, I'll show you how to rebuild your gut with food, herbs, and easy daily habits. In fact, before we wrap up, I've got 2 bonus tea blends that are fantastic for gut healing and gentle enough for daily use. So you can use these at home using dried herbs. You just check your local herb shop or natural food store, or there's also some very good reputable herb retailers online. All right, there'll be a link in the description for both tea blends. The first one is a soothing gut support tea with marshmallow roots, slippery elm bark, and a touch of ginger. Then the other one is a detox and digestion root tea with chicory root, dandelion root, and calendula petals, also ginger as well. So really good recipes that can help your gut. You can also sweeten both of them with a little cinnamon or stevia. We want to get in the habit of adding flavor and not just always resorting to sugar, sugar, sugar. So if you try this for a week, let me know in the comments if you feel the difference. Also, if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this info. Your gut and their gut will thank you.